Alex moved to America 3 months ago. He wanted to improve his English and build a better future. He studied English every day and practiced speaking with people. One morning, Alex received an email that changed his life. Congratulations! We are happy to offer you a position at our company. We look forward to seeing you on Monday. Wow! I got the job! I can't believe it! Tomorrow is my first day! Alex was very happy, but he was also nervous. This was his first job in an American company. I need to practice my English. I want to make a good impression. That night, Alex prepared his clothes, packed his bag, and practiced some common workplace phrases. Good morning. Nice to meet you. Thank you for your help. Can you explain this, please? The next morning, Alex woke up early and arrived at the office before everyone else. Today is a new beginning. I can do this. Alex walked into a large office building. He looked around and saw many people working together. Good morning. My name is Alex. Today is my first day here. Welcome, Alex. We are happy to have you here. Your manager is waiting for you upstairs. Thank you. I appreciate your help. Alex went upstairs and met his manager. Hi, Alex. Welcome to the team. We are excited to work with you. Thank you. I'm excited to be here.
Then Alex met one of his new coworkers, Sarah. Sarah smiled and welcomed Alex to the team. Sarah explained that Alex could ask questions anytime he needed help. Sarah showed Alex his desk, his computer, and explained his first project. She said, "This is your computer. You will use this program to complete your tasks."
Nice to meet you, Sarah. Thank you. I appreciate your help. Okay, I understand. A few hours later, Alex received an important email from his manager. Alex, can you finish this report and send it to me before 3 p.m.? Yes, I know. The manager looked a little confused. Alex realized he needed to learn more workplace English. Sarah explained that when someone gives you a task, it is more natural to say, "Got it? Sure," or "I'll take care of it." Got it. I'll take care of it. Alex learned an important workplace English phrase.
Later that afternoon, Alex accidentally saved the report in the wrong folder. Oh no, I can't find my report. Alex felt nervous, but he decided to ask for help. Sarah helped Alex check the computer and find the missing report. Thank you so much. I was worried. Alex learned that asking for help was a good way to improve his English. At lunchtime, Alex joined his coworkers. So Alex, how is your first day going? It's going well. Everyone is very friendly and helpful. Alex felt more comfortable speaking English with his new coworkers. Thank you. I'm learning something new every day. In the afternoon, Alex joined his first team meeting. His manager asked him to share his opinion. Alex, what do you think about this idea? I think it is a good idea. Maybe we can also ask customers for feedback. Great suggestion, Alex. That's a very helpful idea. Alex smiled. He started the day feeling nervous, but now he felt confident. He learned that speaking English does not mean being perfect. It means trying, practicing, and communicating with others. Today was a great day. I learned new English phrases and met amazing people. Alex left the office with confidence. His first day was not perfect, but it was a big step forward. Remember, don't be afraid to speak English. Every mistake helps you learn. Practice every day and you will improve.